Dude, it's your boy Longhair Don't Care. Straight out of St. Pete, Florida, 727-813-3552. Stand up, man. Let them know that we out here all day, every day, man, trying to get paid. Let them know what it is. Shit, I got another rap for y'all, man. Just hear me out. Shit. I do it for the niggas in the struggle that juggle the hustle, trying to flip the triple-double off everybody, sisters, brothers, cousin, and uncle. As old as Danny Glover, it's hard for the streets to love you when no one cares enough to hug you. That's why I stand to rise above you with realness all among us. We twisting purple fungus with attitudes are humongous, laughing to the bank like Calabunga. It's slimy in the concrete jungle, cause niggas ready to rumble, leave you pummeled 6 feet under. And also, have you seen us lately? 90s and 80s babies, pill popping crazies, waving the cops in Mercedes, screaming that fuck you pay me. Yeah, and I seen your whole crew, they fucking lazy fugazis. And sorry white people, I'm not racist, let's face it. I'm come from the streets where I put on for everybody who's not my race, bitch, cause that's how I was raised, kid. And I remember days when I was next hell chirping, sip serping, nickels, dime serving, it's worth it. Blessed by hell's surface, fiends purchase and translate these verses, enriched with life curses to flaunt my imperfects. Don't act like you lurking, just act like you heard it. Cause my sitting here counting this money so dirty, it's tight as a virgin. I'm open and squirting, just open, you heard it.